Hello everybody, this is Airsoft Customs. Welcome back to our channel. We haven't been so active lately, and it's not because the lack of projects, it's because it's something, or the project that we received wasn't something very special and there is nothing to film about. But today the story is different. We have on the table a gun from the customer who ordered us to make the Crytek Chris Vector DSG and make it so special and so complex gun. This is a Modify XTC, which came with an Aster and everything inside. It's practically Modify. Gearbox, internals, every component it's Modify. Hop-up it's Modify. I don't remember, but I wouldn't doubt that even the barrel is Modify. So this is their own series, and for some reason it's super complex. I mean, inside Gearbox it's totally different. What else? It's an ambidextrous system with a lot of ambidextrous features and pretty much super annoying gun to work on. It has a proprietary gear set, but today it's another story of the gun. Since it has a new look, we are about to rebuild it from the ground. We will rebuild everything. We want to share all this process with you, so everybody or anybody who bought this platform can have an idea how to upgrade it, how to get the right performance out of this M4, because it's an M4 after all, and it's a complex gun to upgrade. Definitely you need to know a lot of stuff in order to start or to even think of upgrading it. So let's proceed with all the parts that we have, and we will put or exchange inside of this gun. So here is the gearbox. As you can see, it's totally different from what you will expect to be a version 2 gearbox. But it's a nice gearbox. It's pretty strong on the front. It's made of some material which is, I don't know, it's some extrusion, but it looks and feels heavy. It's retouched by or reworked in every aspect or every little detail. It's made on, it's reworked on CNC. This is the first gearbox that seeing a bushing with a thread for the bolts. So every bolt has his bushing here, and you are tightening very strong here. It uses 4mm bolts, so it's pretty strong. You don't have a bushing here, you don't have a bearing here. You have this sleeve. It is a bushing, but it's made of stainless steel, super durable. This is our first mistake in our previous work on this gun. This was before we get the milling machine. We was trying to mill it down on the drill press, and it's a mess. But anyway, this indentation has like 1 year of use, and using the 638 glue never move it here, so I guess we are good to go and we can continue with this, no matter that it has 2 small holes actually, and the entire bushing it's holding only on those walls right here, but it's okay. Let's open it up and see what are the gears. So so you can make the idea of what you need to get. I really like the bolts of this. Take a look, man. Massive, strong bolts, 4mm thread. Okay, so this is pretty much it. This is an SHS version 7 gears. They're nice, definitely nice. The new plan for this is to actually install the Lonex kit. Lonex Pyro and Helico kit, and with that we will get it to sound even better. Here we have the 36K from Warhead. We have some stock tappet plate, we have stock nozzle and cylinder head. We have from the last time stock piston head, but FPS piston, I'm sorry. We have the OEM Aster, I mean the one that came with the gun originally. We also bought the carbon fiber FPS tappet plate, a new cylinder. This was an SR25, but we will cut it to length because there was nothing available right now. It wasn't, I mean the O-type cylinder for M4 wasn't available, but anyway we will cut it down to length. We're going to use this FPS pump cylinder head, I'm sorry, pump piston head, and we will see if the FPS cylinder head is actually better than the stock one, because I see that perhaps it's not going to be better, but we will see that later. Those are things that we will install if they are giving us the right performance. Let's take them out. This is the Modify OEM aluminum cylinder, which has a lot of issues here and there. We'll throw it. We're going to install the 7mm patch, I mean 7mm fuck man, what was the, okay, the tensioner, 7mm tensioner with a 7mm Mach 7 from Brigadi. It's going to be a great one. After we use this 420 barrel of Lambda 1, we will put this on the milling machine and we will open it up till we get to 7.2 millimeters of a window, and we will pair this with all those parts in order to get the best hop effect from this gun. This is the stock hop-up unit. It's been a little bit different, but we have an option to use the new max model or the old generation. We will see which one of those will perform better with the 7mm patch of this bucking. We will see the hardware one, which is 7mm, and we will see this nub, which is 7mm, because it's soft, and I believe this one is going to work better than the aluminum one, but we will see later. On here we can buy a different nub here, but I believe that we can use the same nub and the OEM arm, so we can get the same effect, and we will see which one of those hop-ups are actually better, as far as we can put it, because as you can see, we need to probably screw them because of this shape, or directly open it here so we can have a nice round shape, not have this. This is great for centering, but unfortunately the hop-up is not the greatest. It is good, but you can ask for more for sure. Let me see if we have something else. Okay. We have the quantum trigger for the gate aster, and with that we hope to get the snappiest, fastest trigger response out of the aster and the warhead 36K. So guys, this was the first video. It was quite long for what it is, but we needed to show you what we are going to put inside, and then we should start working on the gun. Stay tuned and till next time.